touched Narud's mind in there. I sensed his devotion to this Amon. Narud's been trying to resurrect his master for millennia.
It makes sense. The endless conflict between Protoss and Zerg, the hybrid, all part of a plan to bring Amon back.
Unless we stop him.
I wonder how Narud could hope to resurrect a being as powerful as Amon.
I think the hybrid are key. They gather psionic energy. But where would they get enough to resurrect a dead god?
You told me an ancient Zelnaga artifact was used to make you human again. But all the power you wielded as the Queen of Blades, where did it go after your transformation?
You mean there might have been hybrid nearby who gathered it? And used it to... Oh no.
If Narud used the Zelnaga artifact in that way, he may already have enough energy to resurrect Amon.
We are sensing strange entities in the lab.
You mean besides the hybrid and the evil shapeshifter?
Protoss, my queen, in great numbers.
Yes, I sense them now. Tal'Darim. They serve Amon willingly. They worship him.
They worship a dead god.
That makes them even more dangerous. This thing in the lab, this Narud, it's shielding itself from me, but I can still sense its power.
Tell me of it.
It's like nothing I've faced before.
But you destroyed the Ancient One. You captured the power of all Zeras.
This is something born of the void. Cold and empty. But so powerful it hurts.
The hybrid, their essence is strong, but I cannot collect it.
Narud created them. Do you think he will bring you more essence if you follow him?
That one serves a master who will devour all essence.
You're talking about Amon. I think he's dead. And I'm going to make sure he stays that way.
If that one lives, all essence will be collected. Change will stop. I will fight.
Mutalisk strain ready for augmentation. Located feral broodlords. Must reacquire essence. Can be spun into Mutalisk strain. Dominion defense platform. Sigma Centauri. Feral broodlords nearby. Missile turrets designed to kill Mutalisks. Stalemate without broodlords.
Find the Broodlords. We'll assimilate their essence and destroy the Dominion.
Kill broodlords. Recover essence.
Assimilate their essence.
Mutalisks can morph into broodlord. Await your command. down targets from distance. Supplying Mutalisks will protect Broodlords. Complementary skills.
Now let's end this stalemate.
Drop in reinforcements!
Platform secured. Brocus Her, Dominion Storage World. Transport wreckage discovered. Jorium crystal contained within. Jorium useful for experimentation. Enhances psionic potential. Must acquire. Completed research on primal essences. New strain created. Viper, ready to assault Dominion. Viper, strategic asset. Abducts targets. Pulls to its location. Usable on ally or foe.
Move across the river and pull our aberrations to the other side.
Siege tanks detected. Use Vipers. Pull into range of aberrations. Viper emits disabling cloud. Foes within cannot attack.
Rip that bunker apart. Only the final defenses remain. Move in for the kill.
Cargo secured. Must prepare Mutalisk Morph. Returning to Evolution Pit. Mutalisk Morph ready for integration. Await decision. Evolution complete.
Narud is an ancient creature of vast power. He waits for you in the bowels of this place. One of you will die. Make sure it's that son of a bitch.
The Zerg have breached the sanctum!
Protoss.
Narud has held these Tal'Darim in reserve. They are his best troops. The final battle is near. A shame. This Ultralisk might have been useful.
Organism Stukov misunderstands. Death irrelevant. Only essence important. Ultralisk reconstituted. Ultimate expression of swarm evolution.
We need to secure a location for our hive cluster. Then, we deal with Narud. Speak. We are without limit. This world. Clear away these fanatics.
Attack, my brothers!
The swarm conquers all. I am the swarm.
Eliminate the abominations!
Make your peace. Why would Narud build this lab on top of a Xel'Naga temple?
You know nothing of the Xel'Naga.
Narud is driving a null zone towards you. It will kill you on contact. These temples are amplifying his power.
Stukov, go to the temples and destroy them.
I thought you'd never ask. There is no need for formality. The first temple is located here. Now, let's go destroy it.
Be quick about it. The null zone is pushing toward me.
We require more minerals.
Assault machine. Yes, I see. I am channeling psionic energy into this temple, but it will take time.
You dare defile the shrines of our god? We shall strike you down!
I must focus, but I can still use my powers for the fight. There is no need for formality. Remain alert. Hybrid approaches. You need something? Temple is deactivated.
Excellent work, Stukov. I can feel Narut's strength slipping.
Success, but only for a moment. We must disable the other temples.
We require more Vespine gas.
You need something? Yes, I see. The end is at hand.
Stukov, I sense crystals, which Narud is using to store raw psionic energy.
Yes, that energy is faint, hidden near the temples. If time permits, we will find them and destroy them. Move quickly. I hear.
We require more Vespine gas.
A sound decision. Done. Forward! Done.
Taste the blades of the Tal'Darim!
Yes, I see.
We require more minerals.
A sound decision. Move quickly. Done. Forward! Yes, I see.
None may challenge the Master.
Destroy the Protoss quickly. The hybrid approach. Need something? Done. A sound decision. Yes, I see.
Unacceptable command. We require more minerals.
The second temple has fallen.
Squirm all you like. You will not escape your fate. Tal'Darim, destroy their hive! She cannot survive alone!
The creature is under attack.
sound decision.
We require more minerals. We require... Our forces are under attack. Our forces are under attack.
Yes, I see.
To the temple! It must not fall!
Finish the Taldarim. Several hybrids are on their way.
We require more minerals.
Deactivated a third temple. 2 temples remain.
He's growing weaker. Keep fighting!
No! No! Strike the hive while they are in disarray!
A sound decision.
We require mutations. Complete.
Move quickly. Yes, I see. The end is at hand. You need something? A sound decision.
The interlopers must not destroy the crystal!
Move quickly.
We require more. Our forces.
Brothers, guard the temple with your lives!
Get rid of these Protoss now. The hybrids are on their way. Forward!
This is not possible.
I can feel your strength leaving you.
Mind clear. Our victory is assured.
Our forces are under attack.
Do not touch the artifacts of the Master.
The crystals have been shattered. Their power belongs to the Swarm now. Our victory is assured. I hear you. Reasonable request. Yes, I see. Reasonable request. Yes, I see. Speak freely.
Defend the temple! Lay waste to these abominations!
Many hybrids are coming. This is our final battle.
We require more minerals.
It cannot be!
Your temples are gone.
We've done it. The Null Zone has left Narut weakened, vulnerable.
Even so, he's the most powerful being I've ever faced.
What will you do?
Kill him. Face me, Rude. It's over.
It is only beginning. Amon whispered of this from the stars. He told you of his return. He told you of ruin, extinction, the end of all things.
Your god is dead, and he's never coming back.
Is that what you think? Sarah.
everything you lost. I am everything you never had. You've